Okay, so if you hear that rumbling, it is not my stomach. There's a nice thunderstorm going outside, but I really wanted to come here talk to you about this cool landing pad. Obviously it folds up. I really like it. It's like kind of like a nice solid rubbery feel. It is filthy dirty the way it should be, and I have cleaned it once before. This is the second time I'm using it. Just a little Windex, paper towel, wipe it off, cleans up really easy. Obviously it folds up into a teeny little thing, and so I'm here in Florida, and I particularly like these things because I try not to land the drones in the sand, and everything here is sand, right? So I don't want them getting sandy and dirty, and this is great to make it so that they can land and take off over and over again. I don't have to worry about the sand thing. And additionally, if you have a drone that uses those visual cues to land in particular, obviously you're not missing this, right? It's going to find that and it is going to come home. So anyway, I'm going to give this a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. If you do drones at all on any kind of regular basis, I would definitely recommend using this. I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.